It's Raining Hail by Kelsey Rivera. One spring day, Sally and her family went on a road trip to go camping in Wyoming for vacation. Sally was so excited because this was her first time ever going to Wyoming. As they continued to drive across state lines, Sally got more and more excited. To pass time, she decided to talk to her mom about all they had planned for the trip. When they finally arrived, they set up their campsite and started a fire. The first few nights they had perfect clear skies until the third night. The third night, a large thunderstorm decided to hit Wyoming. From the spring air and the thunderstorm, hail started to fall from the sky. Sally had never seen hail before. She scaredly asked her mom what was happening. Her mom said, "It's hailing." "What is hail?" asked Sally. Her mom replies, "Sometimes when a storm occurs, the updraft of the storm lifts raindrops above the freezing level of the atmosphere, causing the water to freeze. When that happens, balls of ice fall like raindrops, which is what hail is." "Does hail only fall from the sky in Wyoming, Mom?" Sally asks. "No," her mom replies. "Hailstorms can happen anywhere, but they are more common in seasons of spring and are most common in Wyoming, Nebraska, and Colorado." After a long night, the hailstorm finally stopped. In the morning, the skies cleared up and they got to enjoy the rest of their camping trip. Sally got to do all the activities that they had planned and have a bonfire every night for the rest of the trip.